today's video, Amelia will show you her big girl room. So, guys, itong room na to is nursery room ni Amelia. But, she doesn't sleep here. She doesn't sleep in her crib either. So, we decided to upgrade this as her big girl room in preparation for her toddler life. So, yeah. Simple lang ito na room, guys. Ha? Don't expect too much. So, she got a queen bed, which is lucky. You are lucky. Yeah. You are lucky. And then, so this is our bed before we upgraded into a big one. Kasi hindi na kami kasyang tatlo. Kasi itong batang ito, ayaw mawalay sa mami. Right, Mimi? Oh, and she got this frame right here. So I really love wildflowers. So I ordered this from Etsy. A personalized picture with her name on it. And it comes with some other flowers. And ito yung nightstand niya na may picture niya. That's her when she was 1 month old. And this is her like baptism gift from her auntie. It says a prayer. And her birth announcement. And we still have her utility cart here because this is where we change her diapers still. And her dresser, everything's here for her. And then yung TV, nandito lang yan temporarily kasi hindi naman siya natutulog dito. Kasi dito kami nanonood ni Pete ng movie pagtulog na si Amelia. Tapos yung dresser niya, konti na lang laman yan. And this is her bookshelf. So far, hindi pa siya nagkakalat masyado kasi nililimit ko siyang magkalat. Tapos merong pictures niya. Cute pictures niya ng baby. And this is my rocking chair. Nursing chair. But I don't use it. Pumpkin owns it. It's Pumpkin's bed, by the way. And the Boppy pillow is also Pumpkin's pillow. Pumpkin love it. Right, Pumpkin? Hmm? Yeah? You cute? And yan lang, guys. Yan lang ang simple room ni Amelia. But it's her bedroom. So growing up in the Philippines, Papa, are you playing with Mimi? Pumpkin, sit. Lalaro sila, guys. Lagyan silang naglalaro. Tapos, manggigigil si Amelia. Tapos, manggigigil si Pumpkin. Kagatan silang dalawa. Pumpkin, I don't want you licking your toes. Pumpkin, please. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Pumpkin? Good girl. Mimi? Mimi? Look here, Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Mimi. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye, guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Is that your bye-bye? Wala siya sa mood, guys. Antok na yan.